प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, नवांकुर डिजी लेसन्स में आपका स्वागत है। आज इस वीडियो के माध्यम से हम क्लास 12th का लेसन 16 द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज समझेंगे। ये पोएम के रूप में है। इसके पोइट हैं हैरी हेम्सले। The poem describes the very minute differences in the meaning of English word. यह कविता यह अभिव्यक्त करती है कि अंग्रेजी के शब्दों में कुछ क्षणिक अंतर स्पष्ट होते हैं। The poem has been written in a light-hearted mood. यह कविता एक कोमल हृदय या लाइट हार्टेड मूड में लिखी गई है। The words like cricket, deer, jumper, trip, band, spin, dump, azar, jam, adders and copper have different meanings, but the spelling is same. कुछ शब्द ऐसे हैं जैसे क्रिकेट, डियर, जंपर, ट्रिप, बैंड, स्पिन, डम, एजार, जैम, एडर एंड कॉपर। इनकी स्पेलिंग समान है लेकिन उनके अर्थ भिन्न हैं। इट मेक्स इंग्लिश ए डिफ़िकल्ट लैंग्वेज। यह अंग्रेजी को कठिन बनाती है। Such words are called homonyms. Now we will see question answer. First question है, what are the two meanings of cricket? The two meanings of the word cricket are: number one, a game played with bat and ball. Number two, a small creeping or flying insect. Question number second, what is meant by dear far from cheap? Dear here doesn't mean beloved. It is an antonym of cheap. What other meaning does the ball have? The ball here mean ball dance, a kind of an English dance. Next question, how is the word spin used differently in the poem? The word spin has been used in the following three different ways. Number one, spinning a top, going for a spin, car drive, and number third, spinning a yarn. Question number 5, what joke is the poet talking about? The poet is talking about a joke that a dumb man wouldn't speak a word yet seized a wheel and spoke. The word dumb here means a man who doesn't speak. Number second, a part in the wheel that holds the wheel and spoke. Spoke means past of speak. Thin rod of the wheel. Next question. What happens when you slam a door? When we slam a door, our nerves receive a jerk due to a loud, unpleasant sound. Next question. How is the copper used? A copper is used in a kitchen as a boiler or vessel or utensil for boiling or cooking vegetables, etc. Okay, students, thank you.